Hello and welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the loops section. This is the break keyword. Imagine we're looking to adopt a dog. We plan to go to the shelter every day for a year and then give up. But what if we meet our dream dog on day 65? We don't want to keep going to the shelter for the next 300 days just because our original plan was to go for a whole year. In our code, when we want to stop a loop from continuing to execute, even though the original stopping condition we wrote for our loop hasn't been met, we can use the keyword break. The break keyword allows programs to break out of the loop from within the loop's block. Let's check out the syntax of a break keyword. For let I be assigned 0. As long as I is less than 99, increment I by 1. If I is greater than 2, we break out of our loop. If I is not greater than 2, then we're logging out banana. Once I is greater than 2, it breaks out of the for loop and we print out orange, you glad I broke out of the loop. So this is the output for the above code. Banana prints 3 times, then orange, you glad I broke out of the loop. Break statements can be especially helpful when we're looping through large data structures. With breaks, we can add test conditions besides the stopping condition and exit the loop when they're met. Our instructions say, log each element from a wrapper array in a for loop with the iterator variable I. Let's do that now. Run that, and it does log out all the wrappers in our array. 2 says, after the for loop, log the string and if you don't know, now you know, to the console. Note, since there's a single quote character in our string, we can use double quotes around the string to make sure character prints. Do that here. Run it. We passed. And 3rd says, add a break inside your loops block that breaks out of the loop if the element at the current index in the wrapper array is notorious BIG. So similar to what they did up here, we're going to add an if block. We're going to go here under our log of the wrappers and say, if wrapper array that we're on, index whatever one we're at in our loop, is equal to notorious BIG, we're going to want to break. Let's run that. And it did pass. And it does stop before saying Tupac, since we did reach notorious BIG, and then we log out his line. So what we're learning with the break keyword is that we can stop a loop from running when a certain condition is met. We do that using the if statement within our for loop, and then the break keyword when that condition is met. If you guys are getting that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.